how many terms of a GP 2, 6, 18, 54 will make the sum 59048. So what is happening here is you are given a geometric progression, okay, which is 2, 6, 18, 54 and so on, and you are asked how many terms. Let's say this goes up to n terms. What is the value of n such that when you do the sum of all these terms, what you get is 59048. Now, what is the common ratio here? The common ratio, or R, is equal to, if we divide 6 by 2, we will get it 3. Since the common ratio is not equal to 1, we can easily apply the formula which we have derived in earlier videos as Sn is equal to A r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Right? Now what is the value of A here? The value of A here is the first term, which is nothing but 2. Okay? What is the value of R here? R we know is 3. Right? But we don't know what is the value of n. However, to make things simple, the value of the sum of the total terms of the GP is given as 59,048. So you can write that 59048, which is the sum total of all the terms of this GP, is equal to A, which is 2 times R. What is the value of R? 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay, divided by R minus 1. R is what? 3. 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. And 2 times this, so we can just cancel this with this. Or what we get is 3 to the power n is equal to 59,048. If we just take this minus 1 to the other side, it becomes plus 59049. Right? Or you can simply write this as 3 to the power n is equal to 3 to the power. Now, can you find out what is the power of n for which 59,049 will come in? For this, we will take the assistance from the logarithm things. So what we can say here is that, n log 3 is equal to, we know this is 59,049 log 59,049. Or we can say that the value of n is equal to log 59049 divided by log 3. Right? So let's do the calculator for this. 59049 log. So this is the value that we get for log 59049. Okay, let me just write this down. It's actually a bit too complicated. 4.771 4.771 divided by log 3 divided by 3 log is equal to 10. Right? So let's say this was 0.4771 or something. So the value of n is equal to 10. So if you take the sum of 10 terms of this GP, okay, that will give you a sum of 59048.